Hello everyone, welcome to Pixel Village and I'm Radha Krishnan. Well, this is the fourth year that we've been in production producing photography tutorials, photography equipment reviews, etc. Well, thanks to your continuing support, we are now moving towards that magic 1 million mark. Well, our videos on mobile phone photography, fundamentals of digital photography, etc. has been extremely well received. We are delighted to announce that these amazing folks at Retrieve have put all our videos together under one roof, which means you can go into pixelvillage.retrieve.com, sign up, and you will be straight taken into our page, which is Pixel Village Store. And there you will be able to see all the videos that we have created in a guide format. Well, digital photography fundamentals, mobile phone photography, and photography tips and tricks. If you go into the guide of your choice, you will be able to search from among scores of videos that we have created. You can search them through the table of content, or do a word search by typing in, or do a voice search by activating the microphone here. So from the table of content, if I pick, let's say, color temperature, it will take me straight to that video or the videos where I have referred or spoken about color temperature.
In all possibility, it was a scientist and not a photographer who invented the term color temperature.
That's right. The other option is to do a word search. I'm going to search for accurate color. Okay. And here I seems to have created more than one video. So everything is available here. The third and the most interesting way is to you do a voice search. You can speak into the microphone and the system will look for a corresponding video. And the video is subtitled, closed captioned, and it's available in English, Spanish, and Hindi. That's right, it's available in Hindi as well. So in case if you would like to learn photography from Pixel Village, and if you don't want to go to YouTube and look through the entire set of videos that we have created, Retrieve is the place to go to. It is currently available in a bundle format and also available to buy as individual format. And the store will be active from 27th March 2022. Well, these guides are available to be bought as individual guides or as bundle. Individual guides are available for $9.99 US, and as a bundle, $24.99. And of course, these guides will be updated on a regular intervals. So we are definitely excited. I'm sure you too are excited about the fact that the content that we are creating is now available under one roof in a guide format. So you can also interact with me through that platform. So looking forward to hearing from you, your feedback, your reaction to this, this new exercise that we are doing with the help of this amazing folks from Retrieve. I'll be in touch. Bye for now.